What is the answer to this? Because I'm not seeing how these two things are quite adding up.
How can the universe be 13.8 billion years old, yet somehow the observable universe is 98 billion light years across? This is actually simpler to explain than you think. You've probably heard that the universe is expanding. So the universe is expanding, which means more space is being put between us and distant galaxies and stars. And when the universe expands, light gets redshifted. And we can approximate how much further away something has moved by that redshift. So the universe is only 13.8, roughly, billion years old. If at the beginning of the universe a star was 13.8 billion light years away, then that light will be reaching us about now. But because the universe is expanding, we know that star is no longer 13.8 billion light years away. It took 13.8 billion light years for that light to reach us, but we know because the universe is expanding that that star is now much further away. We can still observe it because when the photons were emitted from it, it was within 13.8 billion light years. But because space is expanding, we know that now it is further away, and we can tell that because of the redshift of the light. That's also how we know that eventually that star will eventually pop out of existence, because it will eventually have gone far enough that no new photons that it emits will ever reach us. And that's kind of the case for all of the observable universe. The universe is always expanding, and the edge of the observable universe is always kind of falling over this eternal waterfall of blackness, where the photons will never reach us and they can never interact with us again.